Hello friends, myself Mr Narendra Jangale from Gokhale Education Societies or M Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study SSC Class 10th Maths Part 2 4th Chapter Geometrical Constructions. From that we are studying basic constructions. Let us see some basic constructions. I am preparing the special video on this basic constructions. The purpose is, if you know these basic constructions, then that construction chapter, means that exercise 4.12 all becomes so easy, because all the construction, any type of construction you do, that is based on this basic constructions, and that's why we must know these some basic constructions. So let us see some 7-8 basic constructions here. So practice this construction again and again, and then we becomes a skillful in a construction, because for construction and use the proper geometrical instruments. For that, the first instrument that is required is a scale. So that scale must be proper, means not a damage, and we can easily see the numbers on the scale. That is the important point. Second thing, that protractor is also a clear. The numbers, sometimes the numbers becomes a blur, so use a proper instrument. Thus pencil must be the dark pencil. And second thing, this compass, that is a proper, not a very loose or not a very tight. And remember this one. Now when we fix this another pencil in a compass, remember these two ends are same, means parallel to each other. Both the ends are of same height, not one is larger, other is smaller. So these are some points. While handling this protractor, handle using these three fingers. So remember these three fingers like this. So we have to move like this, not like this, not using this one. So these are some things, and practice is also important for these constructions. So let us see the first construction from this. The first construction is to construct or to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So a line segment is given of so and so length, then we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of that segment. Suppose here AB is a line segment and is given of length 7.5 centimeter. Then we have to bisect that segment. Segment AB is of length 7.5 centimeter, and then bisect this segment. So first we must know how to draw the segment. So draw the segment of length 7.5 centimeter. So here at the middle of the page we have to draw that segment, because above and below of that segment the place must be there. So remember this one. So starting from 0, here it is the 0, and here it is 7.5. So draw this segment AB of length 7.5. Now do not repeat the pencil. I am repeating here because we want a dark line to see in the video. But in exam or whenever you construct, do not repeat the pencil this type. So that is the wrong method. So only once we have to draw the line, this one. So here we get this line AB of length 7.5 centimeter. Mark the endpoints of AB, here A and B. These are the endpoints of that segment AB. Now name that points as A and B. We can name the points by pen or pencil. So here it is segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter. Now we have to bisect this segment. Bisect means to divide the segment into two congruent or equal parts. Now for that purpose we need this instrument that is called compass. Now take a compass with A as a center. When I say A as a center means this metal point. There are 2 points. One point is a pencil, other is a metal. When I say with A as a center means that metal point must be on point A. So with A as a center, take a distance more than half. More than half means no need to measure. By our observation, we can check it is more than half distance. Now it is more than half distance. With A as a center, draw one arc in upward direction of the line, means above the line, and with the same center, draw another arc below line AB, line segment AB. Now, without, this is important, without changing the distance, do not change the distance. Here, with B as a center, here B as a center, draw an arc above the line intersecting the previous arc and below the line intersecting the previous arc. We get the point of intersection of these two arcs. So here it is the point of intersection and here it is the point of intersection. If we draw a line passing through these 2 points, then that line is a perpendicular bisector of that segment AB. So here in this way we get, and whenever perpendicular bisector is there, here perpendicular sign and here congruent signs must be there. So always show these signs because that also cut our marks. So remember how to draw the perpendicular bisector of given segment, because this construction we have to use in the second type of construction to construct a tangent to the circle through a point outside the circle. मीन्स सर्कल के बाहर जो पॉइंट दिया है वहां से हम लोग को अगर टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है देन वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ बेसिक कंस्ट्रक्शन. तो वहां पे हम लोग को ये यूज करना है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट. फर्स्ट, using the scale, draw segment AB of given length. Here it is 7.5. Name the segment. Now with a compass, with A as a center, means that metal point is on A. Take a distance more than half of segment AB in a compass. Draw the arc above that segment and below that segment. Now keeping this equal distance, same distance, do not change the distance in the compass. With B as a center, B पे रखने का है metal point. With B as a center, draw the arcs intersecting the previous arcs. Then we get the 2 point of intersection of these 2 arcs. Here it is the first point, here it is the second point. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. That line is called the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So in this way we complete this first construction to construct or to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So it is the easiest construction. We drawn this construction in 9th also. Now to draw the tangent we have to use this type of construction. Now let us see second one. So here it is the second type of construction, basic construction. We are studying only basic construction, not a construction chapter. To draw a line perpendicular to the given line through the point on the line. So here, suppose line L is the given line. Line means there is no measurement. Line. We have to draw a line. Remember, do not repeat the pencil here. To see the clear image, I am overwriting again and again. But in exam, do not overwrite by the pencil. So here it is the given line, suppose line L. Now on line L there is point P. P is any point on line L. Now what is our construction? To draw a line perpendicular to line L. Given line means line L. Through the point on the line. Which point? Through point P. So here again we use the compass. How to draw the line perpendicular to the line L and passing through point P. So here it is line L and here it is point P. Now we have to draw a line passing through point P. In exam, don't use that pen. To see in the video the clear image, I am using that pen. Now here again we use this same instruments, that is called compass. The pencil must be sharp and the compass must be in a proper condition, means not so loose or not so tight. So that is important in a construction. So to draw a perpendicular line through the point which is on the line, first place that metal point on P, means with P as a center, with a suitable distance. Suitable distance means not more, not less. Suitable distance. I draw the arcs on both sides of point P, on left side as well as on right side of point P at an equal distance. So here we draw two arcs with P as a center and as a suitable distance. That distance is not measured, not more than this line, not so less or so large. So suitable distance, and draw two arcs. Suppose that two arcs intersect the line in point A and B. Suppose these 2 points are A and B. Now we have to bisect the segment AB. The same construction, the above construction we have to repeat again. Bisect this segment AB. So here with A as a center, more than half distance. So here more than half distance is taken. Draw the arc only in upward direction, because to draw a line we require 2 points, at least 2 points. 1 point is P already. So no need to draw the arcs below the line L. So here draw the one arc without changing the distance with B as a center. Means place the metal point at B and draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. This point of intersection, note this point of intersection, here it is the point of intersection. Then draw the line through that point and the given point P. So if we draw a line through that point and the point P, then we get this line M is perpendicular to the given line. That symbol must be there. So here it is the second construction. This construction is useful to draw a tangent to the circle through a point on the circle. If the point is on the circle, then we have to draw the tangent, then we have to use this type of construction. So remember this one. So is it clear? Construction 1 and 2. Repeat these constructions again and again. Then you becomes a skillful. Now the next basic construction is to draw a line perpendicular to the given line through the point outside the line. In previous construction, the point P is on the line Now that point is outside the line, then we have to draw the line perpendicular to the given line. So again, draw any line L. So line L means line has no measurement, so you can draw of any length. So it is line L. Draw the arrows because it is line L. Now name the line as L. So here it is line L. Now point P is given outside the line L. Here it is the point P. P is given outside the line L. Then we have to draw the perpendicular to line L through point P, but which is outside the line L. So what is the difference in previous construction, second construction and third construction? In second construction, this point P is on the line here and we draw the perpendicular. Now it is outside the line, then draw the perpendicular. The same procedure is there. Use the compass again. With P as a center, metal point P पे रहेगा. And with the suitable distance means that pencil must cut this line in two arcs, in a right hand side as well as in a left hand side. So here this pencil should cut that line in 2 points. Here draw one arc with equal distance, and here we have to draw the another arc. Here another arc. Now let the points be A and B. Let these points be A and B. This point A and this point B. Now same, we have to bisect segment AB. You know the bisector, the first construction we have to repeat again. So that first construction is very, very important. So with A as a center, and take more than half distance in a compass and draw the arcs below the line, because point P is above the line. You need only 2 points to draw the lines, and here we get this one arc by keeping the distance constant without changing the distance with B as a center. Draw the arcs intersecting the previous arc. So we get this point of intersection of these two arcs. Now draw the line passing through this point of intersection of two arcs, and point P, this line is a perpendicular line to the given line through point P. So in this way we can draw the line perpendicular to the given line through the point which is outside the line L. Now remember again, with P as a center, draw two arcs. First one on left hand side, second one on right hand side. Let it be A and B. Now bisect the segment between AB. You know how to bisect. More than half distance, draw one arc. With equal distance, draw second arc. Then point of intersection, we get the point of intersection of two arcs. Now draw the line passing through P, and this point we get the perpendicular to the line, given line L. So here M is the line perpendicular to the given line L. Now let us see the fourth construction. Here the fourth construction is to draw a line parallel to a given line passing through the given point. Here we can use two methods, either using that protractors, not a protractor, using set square, or using the compass. But use compass always, because we get the perfect parallel line using compass. So we have to draw using compass only. We are drawing using compass only. So here this third construction we have to repeat here. So draw a line L, Here we are using the concept, if two lines are parallel to the same line, perpendicular to the same line, if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then these are parallel to each other. So that concept we are using here. Here it is the point P outside the line L. So what is our construction? To draw a line parallel to given line, means given line is L. Line L is the given line and point P is outside that line L. Now we have to draw the parallel line passing through this point P. So for that, first we have to draw the perpendicular line from point P. This same construction we have to repeat, this one. So again we are repeating the third construction. Let us see. First we have to draw the perpendicular from point P. So with P as a center, draw the arcs intersecting line L on both the side with suitable distance, this left hand side and this right hand side, both the side. So we get these two arcs. Let these points be A and B. So here it is B, here it is A. Now next point is bisect the segment AB. So take a more than half distance in a compass. With more than half distance, draw one arc below the line L. Now with B as a center, again draw another arc which intersect the previous arc. Now the point of intersection of these two arcs, note that point, draw a line passing through P and this point of intersection of the two arcs. This line is perpendicular to the given line and passing through point P. So here it is the perpendicular line. We draw the perpendicular line to the line L. Suppose here it is M line, which is this M line which is perpendicular to line L. Now again we have to repeat that second construction. To draw the perpendicular, if point P is on the line, now here P is the point on line M, again draw a perpendicular line through P. Now this line and this line are perpendicular to line M. Our concept, our axiom which we use in 8th standard. If two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then these are parallel to each other. That concept we are using. So with P as a center, second construction we have to repeat here. Take a suitable distance and draw the arcs on both sides of P. So here one arc and here we get second arc. On both sides of P we have to draw the arcs. So here one arc, here one arc. Now draw the bisector of the segment between these two arcs. So how to draw the bisector? Take more than half distance. So here it is the more than half distance without measuring, and draw the arc on one side of the line M. So here we draw the arc by keeping the same distance. Draw another arc intersecting that line. So here we get the another arc. Now note the point of intersection of these two arcs. Now draw a line passing through this point of intersection and point P. So this line is parallel to, so here we get the line which is perpendicular to line M. This is line N. So here line L and N both are perpendicular to M, therefore these are parallel to each other. So practice these constructions again and again. These are the 4 basic construction. Now let us see next one. So our first point in the construction chapter is, So remember here, no point is deleted from this construction point. Therefore, it is important. And if we practice, we get the full marks from this chapter. So that's why I am preparing the video of that construction first. Now, the fifth construction, basic construction, is to construct a triangle, which we have to use in the first exercise to draw a constructor triangle similar to the given triangle, whose sides are given. अगर 3 sides दिया है, if 3 sides are given here, if we consider example in triangle ABC, AB is 4 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, AC 6 centimeter, then construct that triangle ABC. So how to construct that triangle? First we have to construct a rough triangle. So here we are drawing the rough figure. Suppose this is BC. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Then here it is A. Here this AB, and here it is AC. So here first draw the rough figure ABC. This is 4 and this is 6 centimeter. So this is the rough figure. Now next point, we have to construct the triangle using this rough figure. So what is base BC? Whenever we have to draw or construct a triangle, first draw the base. So to construct this triangle, first draw base. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Using the scale, we get it is 5 centimeter. So it is BC. Name the points. So segment BC, write the measurement. It is 5 centimeter. Now this point A is at a distance of 4 centimeter from B and 6 centimeter from C. Therefore, using compass, we have to find the location of point A, position of point A. So A is at a distance of 4 centimeter from B. B से कितना है 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter distance in a compass using this scale. Here we have to place the compass like this. So here it is 4 centimeter, 0 to 4. So this distance is 4 centimeter. Now with B as a center, because BA is 4 centimeter. From B, A is 4 centimeter. Draw one arc. So we have to draw one arc. So we get this arc. Now from C, the distance of point A is 6 centimeter. Now using scale, I can take a distance of 6 centimeter in a compass. So here it is the 6 centimeter. So again here it is the 6 centimeter. Now with C as the center, and draw another arc intersecting the previous arc. If that arcs are not intersect, then again draw the arc through B. B as a center and 4 centimeter as a distance. Draw the arc, extend that arc. We get this point A. This is A. Now join AB, which is 4 centimeter, and this is AC. Join this AC. This is 6 centimeter. So in this way, if 3 sides of a triangle are given, that is called SSS, test of construction of triangle. If 3 sides of a triangle are given, then we can draw a triangle. Here it is important in drawing or construction of draw or construct a triangle similar to the given triangle in our 4th chapter. Now, whenever we have to draw the tangent without using the center, this construction is very important for this. To construct an angle congruent to a given angle without measuring that angle using protractor. You can measure using protractor. Suppose here one of the angle is given, we don't know the measurement of that angle. So here this is angle ABC of any measure. We don't know the measurement of angle ABC. Because if we know the measurement, directly we can draw another angle using protractor. So here ABC is the given angle. Now draw angle or construct angle congruent to angle ABC. Construct angle PQR which is congruent to ABC. So how to construct? First we have to draw ray QR. For that angle PQR, first draw ray QR. This is the vertex of that angle Q. So first draw ray QR. Now next point. With the help of compass, with B as a center, and with a suitable distance, suitable means at least 2 or 2.5 centimeter, draw the arcs intersecting. Draw the arc which intersect both the sides. Cut both the sides in two distinct points. So here we draw the arc which intersect the two sides in two distinct points without changing the distance, by keeping the same distance with Q as a center. Q पे रखने का, and draw the arc which intersect this QR and draw a whole arc. Draw this arc. Now this point of intersection, let it be X and Y. Let it be X and Y. Here it is S, and here it is point T. Now how to find this next point? Take a distance between these 2 points XY in a compass. We have to take a distance XY in a compass like this, and then with S as a point, S पे रखने गए, और draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. So here this is a point of intersection of these two arcs through which this side PQ passes. So draw side PQ, side QP, sorry. This ray QP is drawn. Here it is point P. So these two angles are congruent to each other. So in this way we can draw the angle congruent to the given angle. Again listen. First we have to draw ray QR. Now with B as a center, take a distance, suitable distance, not measured. Draw the arc intersecting the two sides of angle ABC. Let it be X and Y. Now with the same distance, Q as a center, Q पे रखने का है, and draw the arc, big arc. Now take a distance between X and Y in a compass. XY distance compass में लेने का है, like this. And with S as a center, draw the arc intersecting the previous arc, this point of intersection, and Q, draw the ray passing through this. We get ray QP, means angle PQR. So in this way we can construct the angle congruent to the given angle. We have to use this concept while constructing the tangent without using the center. Now the next construction that we already studied in 8th standard, I think parallel lines chapter is there in 8th standard, to divide a given line segment into given number of equal parts, means to divide the given line segment into equal parts. So here draw segment PQ of so and so length. Here we taken 8 centimeter and divide it into 4 equal parts. So first we have to draw segment PQ of 8 centimeter. So first draw segment PQ at the middle of the page. Segment PQ of 8 centimeter of given length. So here it is 8, so 8.5, then 8.5, 9.5, then 9.5. Mostly it is given in a 0.5 because we can't divide. So it is segment PQ of 8 centimeter. Now we have to divide this segment PQ into 4 equal parts using, so first we have to draw an angle of degree 30 degree or 40 degree. Here we are taking 40 degree. So draw an angle ray, draw a ray making an angle of 40 degree with P. So here we have to measure from this point 0, 10, 20, because on a protractor from both sides are there. So point Q is on this side, so take the 0 of this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So here it is the 40 degree, and draw a ray, a large ray P from P. So this is 40 degree. No need to write, but remember this is 40 degree. We can write any measurement 30, 40, but remember take 40 degree. Now below the line segment PQ, again at point Q, draw a ray making an angle of 40 degree, but it is on the opposite direction of this ray. नीचे वाले साइड में हम लोग को और क्या करना है, we have to draw the ray through Q and making an angle of 40 degree with Q. So here draw the another ray. So we get this Z type figure. See this figure. So here it is again 40 degree. Now we have to divide this segment into 4 equal parts. If parts are less, means 2 equal parts, then you can take the large distance. If 5 equal parts, then take the small distance. So take a suitable distance. Suitable means not more, not less. Suitable distance in a compass. Here I am taking approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeter. Approximately. With P as a center. P पे रखने का है देखो. P as a center. We have to divide into how many parts? 4 parts. So 1. Draw the arcs. 1. Then second one. 2. 3. And 4. So if divide into 5 parts, then draw the 5 arcs. So these points, let it be, here P is there, therefore P1, P2, P3 and P4. Now on the opposite side with the same distance, no change in the distance. If distance changes, then your figure or construction becomes wrong. Draw the arcs at the same distance. 4 arc again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So draw the 4 arcs on the opposite side. Here point Q is there, let it be Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Now what we have to do? Join the last points. So P and this Q4. P and this Q4. This last point we have to join. Then the next point. Join that point, next point. Join that, next one, and again last one. Here Q and P4. Now if we join these points, then this segment is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So in this way we can divide this segment into 4 equal parts. So this is the construction that we have already done in 8th standard in parallel lines, 3rd chapter. So you know that construction. Now let us see last one. So here it is, the last construction. To divide a line segment in the given ratio. Given ratio. That 7th construction, to divide into equal part, and this one, both are same, similar to each other. So only the difference is, instead of dividing into 5 equal parts, here ratio is given divide in 3:2. So first we have to write here, to divide segment AB in the ratio 3:2. Therefore, we have to divide segment AB in, see the numbers in the ratio 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5 equal parts. So we have to divide into 5 equal parts and then in the ratio. So let us see how to divide into 3:2. So first we have to draw segment AB of given length. Segment AB of 7.5. So here draw the segment length AB of length 7.5. So here it is 7.5. Name that segment as AB. Now repeat the same construction. At A, draw a ray making an angle of 40 degree. Here 40 degree. At B again, draw a ray making an angle of 40 degree. So draw these two rays. So here it is the first ray and here it is the second ray. So draw the two rays, we get the Z type figure. Now we have to divide into 5 parts. So take a suitable distance, a small distance in a compass, and with A as a center, draw the 5 arcs because we have to divide into 5 equal parts. So 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let these points be A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. By keeping the same distance without changing the distance, that is important. Don't change the distance. With B as a center, again draw the 5 arcs here. 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. So here B point is there, let it be B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So here we have divide into the ratio. That's why first join the last 2 points. Last point A and here last point B and the last point. Then we have to divide in the ratio 3:2. So here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So after 3 points, draw a line. Join the third point, third point. So here we get this 3 part and this 2 parts. So in this way, here it is suppose AP. So here if ratio is there, then we have to write length AP is to length PB is equal to 3:2. So in this way we can divide the given segment into given equal part and given ratio. So here this basic constructions are completed. I tried to show all the basic constructions which we need for construction chapter. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment box. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and please share these videos to your other friends. Thank you.